call, I got nothing to say. Just know it doesn't change the story. Yeah, I saw the look in your eyes, it made me feel terrified. I didn't show you that I was shaking. I felt it way deep inside, but I can see you to lie. I didn't show you that I was faking. I know I don't need you or anybody else, 'cause I'm doing fine all by myself. I did the work on my own, it's on me. Why do you feel the need to call me like, hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, I'm so sorry. I know it doesn't change the story. You call, I take it the wrong way. You call, I got nothing to say. Just know it doesn't change the story. Just know that you got the wrong guy. Just know that I'm doing alright. You call, it doesn't change the story. Yeah, I won't forget everything you did to me, just 'cause you're nice one time. Won't forget all the ways you did me wrong, 'cause you did one thing right. If you think I'm the one to take you back, you're in for a surprise. I'm telling you I'm not that guy. So when you come round, yeah, when you come round, you're gonna try acting nice, but I see through your disguise. I won't look you in the eyes. That happened for the last time you lost your pride. So hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, I'm not sorry. I know it doesn't change the story. You call, I take it the wrong way. You call, I got nothing to say. Just know it doesn't change the story. Just know that you got the wrong guy. Just know that I'm doing alright. You call, it doesn't change the story. I'ma break it down, baby, I'ma break it down. I don't want you coming round, I don't want you coming round. Baby, don't you make a sound, baby, don't you make a sound. I can't even hear you 'cause I'm up here and you're on.
Hi everyone, I'm really hungover. It's not looking at me. I'm really hungover and my tummy really hurts and I'm just keeping my trousers undone.
I don't think you hear me, even if I see you when I'm out around the city. I don't want you coming up, no, I don't want you near me. Yeah, I'm going far away, I'll keep on going on and on and on and on. You call, I take it the wrong way. You call, I got nothing to say. Just know it doesn't change the story. Just know that you got the wrong guy. Just know that I'm doing alright. You call, it doesn't change the story.
Pure scream.
Paradoxical way of getting into relationships is getting kinda tedious.
Fucking hell.
Right, should we go on that road? Where's Jake?
Jake's coming. Let's get the shot.
Really did, mate.
Back the riptide, I don't wanna hide from this. Dancing on the cliffs, I'm fighting back the riptide. I don't wanna hide from this. I'm in it for the dopamine, super clean, never-ending love machine. So alive by the side, leaving for the better life. Dopamine, super clean, never-ending love machine. So alive by the side, let's live like we're all 16. On and off again, we don't want it complicated, but I just got questions, let me ask them. Just like who was me and who was hard.
I don't actually know if you can do this, Gracie.
You can.
Oh, Gracie, you love the
Go on,
effort.
Gracie. Go on, Gracie.
Do it for England.
Go on,
Oh,
Gracie.
powerhouse. Absolute beast.
Yes, Gracie.
Weapon.
Where's the speed coming from?
What the fuck? Where's this
Standing
come from?
outside of a bar, halfway
How
around
have you
the
got much speed?
world. I couldn't speak a word. That doesn't matter, 'cause when I looked at her, my heart felt fluent. Fluent.
two-turn switch.
If I just met you, everything's gotta start somewhere. It's gotta start somewhere. Hotel room is much too far. Right, what are your lips from?
You're connecting with nature.
In the back of this taxi, singing to all the songs we both don't know, running wild in the city after the show, seeing under the lights of Tokyo. Got some words in the taxi, sing songs in the backseat, living life like it's meant to be lived.
I don't want you guys to do it anymore. Oh! Oh, Jake.
About 15 more floats, everyone. Wow. Okay, what was on that one?
Guys,
17.
make sure everyone bends their leg on the outside and lift up your inside one.
Ah, merci,
Merci.
Madame Rosie.
Hey, sorry, you actually.
Yes, it will be so useful for the snowbird.
And we bounce, and fall in the mogul, and allez!
I'm not to blame. You told no more fun, it's off to work. Early time to have any work, but I don't play that way. I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and saddened. Take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We really need that. Hey, heads up.
Good fun.
It's good snow today.
Yeah, everyone's doing really well.
Can you go a bit slower?
Rich,
Let's get our legs out. We all go slow.
So much shock in the group. What? You want slow?
I don't play that way. I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and saddened. Take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We really needed that. Hey, heads up. And I keep telling myself it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, yeah. And even when the sky keeps falling on my head, I'm standing on my feet and reaching for the stars, yeah. Take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and saddened. Take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We really
we got an exclusive interview with Jake, man, dude here. How are we? How's the holiday been?
Oh, the holiday has been absolutely amazing. Well, I'm sad that we're going home tomorrow.
What's your best moment? Best moment?
Probably last night.
Last night, yeah, you got pretty rowdy. Pretty rowdy.
Oh, June.
You sad to be going home?
Yeah, I did just say that.
So, if you guys didn't know, rain comes from clouds. I learned that from my Ollie.
They've got some pretty good aim.
They've got very good aim. Jake, try and catch it. Boo! Well, we're just too slick.